Hello, Arrested here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Netflix app on your device. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go to the search, click one more search bar, find your Netflix app and check if you have the updated to the newest version. If you have the updated to the newest version like me, there shouldn't be more any issues. But if you have some issues after you updated the app, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, scroll a little down, go to the apps, search bar, find your Netflix, here we go, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow them all. You have not allowed permissions, maybe you just need to allow them all. After you allow them and you still have some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. One more way. So first way is go here, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.